Here's the inspection section. Life vests need to be inspected at regular intervals or TBO. A Switlik life vest does not have an expiration date. Let's start by checking all stitching. Check all the snaps. Check all markings. Check all webbing and fasteners. Check the oil tube. Check operation of the oral valve. Check the gross weight of the cylinders. Also check cylinders for corrosion. Check battery case thickness. This one should be 0.354 inches or less. Check the inflators for cracks or splitting. Apply shop air to inflators. Record your observations on the visual inspection report.